Hi everyone, welcome once again to my channel. I am Chommy. In today's episode, we are making pineapple, lemon and ginger juice. In fact, this juice tasted so delicious. You will love it. So let's get started. And for the ingredients, I have one pineapple, ginger and one lemon. And I want to let you know that this recipe was inspired by sweet Ajeley. So she made a video on this. I said, wow, this is a must try for me. And today I am doing it. So thank you so much, sweet Ajeley, because this juice tasted so delicious. It was so great trying this out. So I will also be leaving the link of her pineapple juice in my description box below. Please, friends, feel free to check it out. Okay, so after that, I will just go ahead and continue peeling the outer layer of the pineapple, but I will not be peeling it the normal way you normally peel your pineapple when you want to eat pineapple. I will just peel it roughly, and later I will be giving it a second peeling. And this second peeling, I will be using it to prepare our simple syrup. So keep watching and see how I will do that. As you can see, I'm now peeling the pineapple the normal way you would peel your pineapple. And the stuff we get from here, we are not going to throw it away. These are what we are going to use to make our simple syrup. So after that, I will cut the pineapple. And after cutting the pineapple, I will also be taking off the core of the pineapple. You know this strong stuff you have in the middle of the pineapple. I will also be cutting it off. And I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thanks to all my new subscribers and to my returning subscribers. You guys are the best. I really appreciate all your support. Okay, thank you so much. I truly appreciate. And if it is your first time in my channel, you are highly welcome to Rose Chommy's channel. And please do me a favor by hitting that red place that says subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell beside it. This way you get notified each time I upload a new video. Okay, so right now we are going to start preparing our simple syrup. So the stuff we got from the second peeling, I'll add it in the pot, add some water as you can see. Then I'll add some sugar. You can add the sugar according to your taste. You can also use honey instead of sugar, or any sweetener of your choice. You can use that instead of sugar, but I used sugar. So I will cover it and I'll allow it to boil. I will now go ahead and cut the pineapple in smaller pieces just to help the blender. That's this way. I will also repeat the same process with the ginger. Please, if you are watching till now and you have not yet liked the video, please try and give us a thumbs up. Okay, so now our simple syrup has been boiling just for 5 minutes. So after the 5 minutes, I turn off the heat. I will keep it aside and allow it to cool down. So now we go over to the blending process. You can just see I just added a little water, some water to help the blender. I'll now go ahead and add our pineapple and ginger. So we blend until everything is nicely blended. So with my sieve, I will go ahead and sieve it. And with the help of my spatula, I will go ahead and press out all the juice. But doing this, I found out that the sieve I have is not really doing a nice job. So I changed to another one. And these are what we got from the sieving. Right now, here I have my lemon juice. I'll be adding it. And here we have our juice, but we have not yet added our simple syrup. So here goes in our simple syrup. I allowed it to cool down before adding it to our juice. Can you just see how beautiful the juice looks like? I can't just wait to taste this. Wow. So after it have completely cooled down, here we have our juice. I will now go ahead and transfer it to my jug. You can also use any juice container or bottle or any container you have that you can put in the fridge to store this juice, because it's best enjoyed when it is chilled. Okay. And here we have the juice. I will now store it in my fridge, so you can serve it anytime, you can enjoy it any moment. So thank you so much for watching. Remember, you can always share this video out to your family and friends. Subscribe, like. See you soon. Bye bye.